A very good morning to all my dear children. This is your EVS teacher welcomes you again in the online teaching classes. My dear children, when a baby grows, it learns to eat, to speak, to walk, to run from family in its home. And when a baby grows into a child, it goes to school. From home to school, from mother to teacher. My dear children, school is the second home of a child, and teacher acts like a mother for a child. In school, we learn many things. We learn to read, to write, we play, we meet new friends, we learn many subjects and many other things. In today's class, we will read about my school. I know you all love your school, your teachers, and your friends. Nowadays, you are missing your school, isn't it? So, let's go to our today's class, our new lesson number 6, my school. A school is a place where we learn many new things. We learn to read and write, sing and dance, draw and paint. Our teacher helps us to learn new things every day. We should go to school every day. My dear children, after home, a school is the place where we learn many new things. A baby learns to eat, to walk, to run, to speak in a home from its family. But school is a place where a child learns to read, to write, to sing and dance, to draw and paint. A child learns many new things in a school, and a teacher is there who always help the child to learn many new things every day. So, dear children, we should go to school every day. We learn good manners in school and at home. We should follow what our teachers say and learn new things from them. This knowledge helps us to become great people. It trains us to become good citizens. Children, we learn to read and write, to sing and dance, to draw and paint in the school. But we also learn good manners in school. We should always obey what our teachers say because they always teach us new things. And these new things, these good manners, helps a child to become a great people. All these good things makes us to become good citizens. My dear children, in school we learn how to wish our elders, how to talk with our elders and with our small ones, how to respect our parents, how to keep ourselves tidy, and many more things we learn in the school. My school has many classrooms. It also has a big playground and a garden. My school has a library, an activity room, a music room, a staff room, an office, the principal's room, a laboratory, and an assembly hall. Children, a school is a place where many children come and gains knowledge, and many teachers are there who gives good knowledge and teaches good manners to all the childrens every day. My school has many classrooms. It also has a big playground. Classroom is a place where we sit and study. Playground where we play with our friends. And a garden is there who makes our school looks beautiful, where different types of flowers are there. My school also has a library. Children, library is a place where many books are kept. Different types of books we can study in a library. An activity room where we learn many types of activities. A music room where we learn music. We learn how to sing and how to dance. A staff room. A staff room is a place where all the teachers sit and relax. An office. The principal's room. Principal is the head of the school. He looks after all the activities of the school. So, a principal sits in the principal's room. A laboratory. Children, a laboratory is a place where we can do many chemical activities. It is related to science activities. And an assembly hall where we do prayers and some seminars also. So, children, my school is very beautiful. It has many classrooms, it has a big playground and a garden, a library, an activity room, a music room, a staff room, an office, the principal's room, a laboratory, and an assembly hall. Let us know one by one of all the rooms. First, classroom. We have a big classroom. Our teacher teaches us in the classroom. The teacher writes on the blackboard. We should listen to our teachers. We enjoy learning with our classmates. We should not fight with our classmates. We learn and play with our friends. We also share things with our friends. We should keep our classroom neat and clean. We must throw rubbish in the dustbin. So, children, this is a picture of a classroom. I, I know your classroom also looks like the same, where all the children sits together and study. One blackboard is there and teacher writes on the blackboard and teaches the children. We have a big classroom. Our teacher teaches in the classroom. My dear children, when you sit in the classroom, you should always listen to your teacher because your teacher teaches you good things. So, listen to your teachers carefully and enjoy learning of your subjects with your classmates. Classmates are those who sits with you in the same classroom and never fight with your classmates. Always try to help them. You learn to play with your friends. You also share things with your friends. My dear children, don't make your classroom dirty and untidy. Always throw the rubbish in the dustbin. It will help you to look your classroom beautiful. Next is assembly hall. My school has a big assembly hall. The day begins with a prayer. We do our prayers in the assembly hall. All the important meetings and functions are held in the assembly hall. So, dear children, every school has assembly hall. My school also has assembly hall. What we do in the assembly hall? When we go to school, the our day begins with a prayer. You do prayers in the assembly hall. Can you see the picture? All the children standing in a queue, and there is a stage where teachers and some children are standing for the prayer. And many important meetings and functions are also held in this assembly hall. So, children, in today's class, we learn what we do in the school. A school is a place where we learn many new things. We meet new friends, we meet new teachers, new place. We learn to read and write, sing and dance, draw and paint, and many new things. You should go to school every day. The teacher is the second mother of a child. Teacher takes care of a child like a mother and teaches the child many new and good things which help them to become a good people and good citizen. School has many rooms. A school has a big playground to play and a garden. The school has a library, activity room, music room, staff room, office, principal's room, a laboratory, and an assembly hall. So, children, Today we read about classroom and assembly hall. A classroom is a place where children sit and learn their lessons, and teacher teaches the children in the classroom. She writes on the blackboard and teach the children. You should keep your classroom beautiful and neat and clean. Next is assembly hall, where the day begins with a prayer and many important meetings and functions are held here. In the next class, children, we will know about library and playground and many other rooms of the school. Read the lesson, My School carefully. Till then, bye. Thank you.